Question: what's the difference between legal separation and divorce in Utah? Which is the better course of action? I'm not sure which is the better way. Answer: a legal separation is similar to divorce in that you'll have to negotiate child custody, visitation or parent time, child support and spousal support or alimony, and the division of your property and debt. But unlike divorce, you will still be married to your spouse, just living and functioning separately. Only you can answer if legal separation is a situation that works best for you or your family generally. If you consider separation because you can't bear the thought of divorce, that's probably a bad reason to seek a separation. If you know you need a divorce, separation will only prolong many problems, not solve them. You might ask, why would I want to be legally separated and basically divorced but still not have my marriage dissolved too? Well, 1, if you want to preserve the chance for reconciliation, separation gives you some breathing space without you having to end the marriage. 2, some people agree to separation to preserve inheritance rights from a spouse. 3, some people separate so that they don't stigmatize themselves or their children by divorce. 4, some couples feel they can't go through a divorce for religious reasons. 5, legal separation can keep a spouse still eligible for health insurance coverage from the other spouse's job, whereas divorce often causes loss of coverage. In fact, divorce always causes loss of coverage. So note, more and more insurance companies are starting to deny health insurance coverage for separated spouses, so be sure you know what your insurance company's rules are. 6, a legal separation also allows you and your spouse to continue filing taxes jointly, which can lead to some tax benefits you couldn't have if you were divorced. Number 7, because you need to be married for at least 10 years to receive Social Security and certain military benefits through your spouse, some couples stay married but separate to qualify for those benefits. Some of the risks of separation, however, are: 1, you have no knowledge or control over what your spouse is doing with marital assets and debt. Number 2, separation gives your spouse opportunities to hide or dispose of assets. 3, if your spouse's circumstances change, like a loss of a job or getting sick or hurt, you may suffer consequently too. 4, your spouse could up and move out of the state or even out of the country and with the kids if you have kids, and that can cause all kinds of legal headaches. 5, long-term separation can cause you to lower your standard of living, making issues like alimony and child support harder to win if you get to the divorce phase. 6, if your spouse gets into legal trouble, you can be implicated too. Thanks for your question, and I hope this helps you analyze the pros and cons of separation and divorce in Utah.